Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up for Uber to get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, then here's how to apply my referral code so you can still get some extra money. Here's the steps. So 1, open the Uber app. Next, click your photo or the 3 lines at the top corner. Click earnings. Click help or question mark. Click account and payment, then referrals, and this step is really important. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral, and then click send a message. And for the invite code, use G4QA5UE. Friend's name, yours truly, Gregory Wave, GREGORY WAVE, like wave. The phone number is 815-847-0184, and the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. And for the details, you can just say something like, my good friend Gregory referred me to drive for Uber. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name's Greg. I'm very, very excited about this video because I'm making this video to let you guys know that the retroactive referral code program is back. For those of you that do remember, we shut that down back in April, Uber shut it down, not me. And it was honestly a bummer because we had hundreds of you guys that were like, some of y'all were like 5 rides away from a huge bonus. And they shut down the program out of nowhere, and then once they're back up, you don't even qualify for the bonus. So it was really a bummer. Let me explain this program to you guys real quick. For those of you that don't know, the referral program is something any driver can do. You send out your referral code to your friends, they sign up, do X amount of rides, you both get paid. Now what's great about our code is it's retroactive, meaning that if you signed up months ago, but you didn't use, well, not months ago, like I think it's within 3 months. If you signed up within like 3 months and you didn't use a code, you can use our code, and as long as you gave those rides in that first month, you're gonna get paid for them. So that's basically what the program is. And the bonus right now, guys, is up to $1,000. And this isn't just me saying it. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with the Rideshare Guy. He's pretty much the most notable voice for the rideshare community. He's been on the news. Uber and Lyft even endorsed like a book he wrote. He's a beast, and he knows everything about driving, everything about these apps. He's literally like our voice. So if he's saying it, I can assure you that bonus is legit. So that's all I got for you guys though, but please check that out. Link in the description and down below. You really want to get on this. It takes less than 5 minutes to check out, and you could be getting $1,000. Is it not worth the time just to see if you did? So I'll let you guys go on that note. Check that out and have a great rest of your day.